Good job. Very good. Very good. Very good job. Very good.
Hi, join me in today's chiropractor session. We have here Mr. Janmar. Enjoy watching.
Yan, kasi lumubo yung right side, ha?
Yung right side.
Right side.
Matagal na yan, Doc.
Matagal na to.
Oo.
So, yan minsan na nagkakaroon ng shortness of breathing.
Oh, yes.
So, hindi ko lang sasabihin dito kung saan galing to. Para meron kayong chance magtanong sa personal sa akin. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Diba? So, sa mga gusto makakita na ganitong practice, huwag niyo basta-basta gagayahin sa bahay at baka maputol yung spinal cord, no?
Tama.
Be careful, guys, ha?
Oh, tama. Sarap.
Nice.
Okay, lumuwag, Doc.
Yun, okay. Ito, meron problem dito. Last lang, ayusin ko yung yung C1, C2, ha?
Okay.
No, okay, very good. Relax lang. Okay, relax. Lower shoulder. Perfect. Relax, take a breath. Breathe out. Good job. Mahilig magtagilid matulog, ha?
Okay.
And again, relax. Take a breath. Lower shoulder. Very good.
Sarap.
Sorry.
Ay, yun, lumuwag, oh. Sarap.
Inhale, inhale, exhale. Good job. Again, one more. Inhale, exhale. Good. Very good.
Oh, sarap.
Again, inhale, exhale. Good job.
Wow.
Hindi naliligo na malamig
Ang
to.
sarap.
Okay.
Okay.
Relax. Kailangan maayos to kasi magaling to, no?
Walang nag-adjust, Doc, eh.
Ayan, perfect. Take a breath. Inhale, exhale. Good job. There you go.
Ay, sarap naman nun.
Again, very good. Yan. Mga malalambot na pang. Yun, o, di ba? Ayos ka lang.
Ayos lang, Doc.
Another satisfied patient. You must try this. If you have body pain, you need this dot, just message us.